Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Minion Rush with Apple ID. So without wasting much of our time, let us dive into the video. First of all, open the Minion Rush application from your app drawer. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the gear button appearing at the top right-hand corner. Now, select the connectivity option from the display at the top. To log in with your Apple ID, tap the login button right next to Apple logo. Tap on continue and enter your Apple ID and its password. Once you are signed into your account, you will then be able to log into Minion Rush with Apple ID. And that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.